Welcome to English Binglish Part 2. Don't forget to subscribe. Let's practice listening in English.
Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Do you struggle with managing your time effectively? Do you want to become more productive, confident, and fluent in English at the same time? You are in the right place. In this video, we will explore 10 powerful time management tips that will help you take control of your day, stay organized, and improve your English skills all in one go. So grab a notebook, get comfortable, and let's dive in. Tip 1. Start your day with a clear plan every morning. Write down 3 main things you want to achieve. Even at my age, I follow this simple rule. Knowing what matters most each day keeps me focused. And here's a little bonus for English learners. Try writing your goals in English. Not only will it make your plan clear, but it also strengthens your vocabulary. Tip 2. Prioritize the important tasks. Not all tasks are equal. Some are urgent but not important. Some are important but not urgent. Important and urgent. Do it now. Important and not urgent. Schedule it. Not important and urgent. Delegate it. Not important and not urgent. Eliminate it. This way, you stop wasting time on things that don't really matter. Tip 3. Break tasks into smaller steps. When tasks feel overwhelming, break them into small, manageable steps. For example, if you want to improve your English, don't try to read an entire book in one day. Read one chapter, write a few sentences, or learn 5 new words each day. Simple steps lead to big progress. Tip 4. Use a timer. Work in short, focused bursts. 25 minutes of work, 5 minutes break. I have been using this method for years. And for English practice, you can listen, speak, or read during your 25-minute lessons. Tip 5. Learn to say no. Time is limited. Saying yes to everything steals you time from things that truly matter. Politely decline tasks that don't align with your goals. Your time is your most valuable asset. Tip 6. Avoid multitasking. It's tempting to do multiple things at once, but studies show multitasking reduces productivity. Focus on one task at a time. For English learners, this could mean listening to a podcast without checking your phone or writing without distractions. Tip 7. Make time for learning every day. Even just 50 to 30 minutes a day of English practice can make a huge difference. Combine this with your tasks. Write your to-do list in English. Read an article in English. Speak aloud while doing chores. This way, learning becomes a natural part of your day. Tip 8. Reflect on your day. At the end of the day, ask yourself, what did I achieve? What could I improve? Did I use my time wisely? Reflection not only improves time management, but also helps you remember new English words and phrases. Tip 9. Automate and delegate. Don't waste time on repetitive tasks. Automate bills, reminders, and routine chores. Delegate tasks when possible. This frees up your time to focus on learning and growth. Tip 10. Take care of your health and mind. Time management is not just about schedules, it's about energy. Eat well, sleep enough, exercise, and take mental breaks. A healthy mind and body make your time more productive and your English learning more effective. When I was young, I didn't value time, but now I realize time is life itself. Use these 10 tips to make every day meaningful. Focus on what matters most. Learn English along the way and never forget you are in control of your time. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Share your own time management tips in the comments. I would love to hear from you. Thank you for watching and remember, every minute counts.